Is Boeing going to stall, spin, crash, burn, and die? I guess we should talk about that. As you probably know, Boeing's been having a few really bad months. Last October, a Boeing 737 MAX aircraft crashed soon after takeoff in Indonesia. 189 people are presumed dead. Then last week, another Boeing 737 MAX crashed shortly after takeoff in Ethiopia, with 157 dead. The 737 MAX aircraft is relatively new and has been Boeing's focus for the future, with a promise to bring in hundreds of billions of dollars. Now, that's sort of out the window with government regulators around the world grounding the aircraft. As you know, I find it difficult to factor in fundamentals into my trading, of which this news is huge. Can Boeing survive these disasters? Time will tell. But for now, let's see what the chart tells us. But first, I want to remind you that you can speed up this video and watch it in a shorter time by clicking the gear in the lower right of the video and selecting a faster speed. Also, hang around to the end of the video and I'll share my next trading maxim with you. As always, we'll start with the weekly chart. As you can see, Boeing took a hard dive last week, gapping down over $50 on huge volume. So I've added these 4 lines, 2 support, 2 resistance, based on prior chart activity. If you would like more detail on how I draw my lines, check out the Euro USD video from last week. I'll link it below. Okay, let's drill down to the daily and see what's going on. As you can see on the daily here, there's this really actually pretty nice looking descending triangle formed. I talked about descending triangles in a webinar a couple of weeks ago. I'll link that down below the video. This is not fully formed yet, but could still break at any moment. If you want to trade this, I would wait until you get a close below this 367 line, or wait until it drops and then pops back up and retests that level to go short. However, I do have a concern about this pattern right here. So let's drill down to the 4-hour chart to take a look at that. As you can see, there was a huge gap down a couple of weeks ago. Price pushed up, covered maybe half that gap, pushed up a couple of days, but when it did push up, it pushed up on huge volume. Now, the second day was kind of wimpy volume, but then this drop, this gap down and this drop also happened on big volume. So that's huge bullish volume, then huge bearish volume. Now, this pushed way down and then pushed back up. So that move, a push down and a push up, also happened on pretty big volume, as did this push up right here. So what we got going on here is what I like to call a knife fight. I don't know, I heard that from somebody else. Anytime you've got the bulls and the bears fighting each other, it's a knife fight and anything could happen. There's a lot of wicks down here on the bottom side, so you know, this could break in either direction. But I got my money on the descending triangle break right here. As always, keep your trade size reasonable. Don't risk too much on one trade. Don't do something stupid. Speaking from personal experience, of course. And make sure if you take this trade that you've got a nice close below this line with nice volume supporting that move. Also, I'd stick the stop loss up above the triangle somewhere, so if it does turn, break back up above the triangle, you'll be okay. Thanks for sticking this one out with me, and it's time, as promised, for trading maxim number 8. Number 8, your first job is protecting your trading account. I know you've heard this from me before. I say it all the time. I repeat myself a lot. It's for my benefit as much as it is yours. Drill this stuff into your head and you will succeed. Remember, if you blow out your trading account, then you have to fund another one if you want to continue trading. So if you miss a great trade or you traded on a too small a size, it's sad, but you will still trade tomorrow. If you lose a trade where you risked a huge amount, you could easily destroy your account, margin it out, whatever, and be trading on demo until you can build another one. That's all I've got for you today. In case anyone is interested, this is a shot of the Iron Bridge Dam. Again, another shot on Lake Tawakoni near Mineola, Texas. This one is a little bit higher up so you can see how huge this lake is. This is the largest body of the lake, but it's like the fourth largest lake in Texas. So, and you know, as you probably know, everything in Texas is big. So this is one of my favorite places around here, so I shoot a lot of pictures there. Okay, if this video has helped you, it's helped me. If this video has helped you, please click the thumbs up below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll get notifications when new videos come out. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.